In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a picture, a shape, here in Canva. Now to do this, what we're going to be doing is utilising Canva frames. Now Canva has a whole range of them as well, from squares, stars, triangles, and many more. Now to find these, what we want to do is come over to the element section just here, and then we want to scroll all the way down until we see these frames just here. Now if we click on there, we can see basic shapes, flowers, and many more. Now for this example, we're going to choose these basic shapes. So we're going to click on See All, and these are the ones that we get to choose from. We can even do a heart, as we can see just here. So we'll put that there, and then we'll use something like a star just here. Now to use this correctly, all you have to do is take the image that you want to insert, click on there, hold down, and then drag into the shape, just like that. Now another way to do this is by coming to your picture, wherever you have it. You can use your own, or whichever Canva has as well, but we can simply find our image, drag it onto the page, and directly into the shape just like that. Now with these shapes as well, these frames, we have lots of different options to customize them. So if we click onto the frame, we can then also add a border by coming to border style just here and choosing the style that we want. We can also play around with the thickness of that border as well, and we can also change the color by coming to this little black circle. Now if we click on there, there's lots of default colors that we can choose from. We can also choose from these gradients as well, or if you have a color already in mind and you know the hex code of that color, you can simply come to here and then paste it in here, and it will add it as the color. Or you can also play around with this color palette as well, choosing the color that you want. Now I almost forgot to say as well that if your picture doesn't look quite right when it's inside the frame, just like this, we can simply double click onto the image, and then we can adjust and crop to however we need, just like that. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to make a picture a shape here on Canva. Now if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.